Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I'm actually trying to squeeze this in before my photographer gets in the car. But today is another photo shoot vlog. We are working with Shenna again, and this look it's so different. And it's interesting, and when she gave me the idea, when she sent me what she was looking for, the inspiration, I loved it. And I can't wait to get started. We're only doing one look today, and it should be fun. And I literally just put a poll up on my community tab. So if you're not paying attention to my community tab, please do so. But also, for me, real quick, go ahead and check that your notification bell is on and set to all, okay? Because a lot of people are not getting my uploads, my engagement is down. People are not seeing that I uploaded. Double check that you're subscribed. Some people are being unsubscribed. Like, YouTube is being hella weird, but it doesn't even matter. If you guys are ready to get into this photo shoot vlog, keep on watching.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do that TikTok trend because TikTok is like.
Yeah, do something cringy so I could be like, Urgh.
But the things that I watch are like, because I'm a guy in real life.
No, let her do something cringy. I wanna be excited about this.
Go ahead, Snatch. I actually really like this song.
Oh, I gotta do it right though.
Yeah.
Okay, let me like it.
Go ahead, Snatch.
I don't know how it goes.
Go ahead, do it.
I didn't do it yet. I was practicing. No, don't get all that in there.
You see your dog hugging?
Oh my god.
Keeps me in the nose.
Why do I have fake eyelashes on? Wait, is this real? Yo, look.
Yeah, the ass was your
I'm
eyelashes.
confused.
You look like a refugee.
Oh.
Shut up.
Oh, yeah.
Why can't I take this? See, this is how you know I'm
Can you
too
say that?
old. Like, how the fuck do I take
You
this off?
said that.
Can I say that? I can say whatever the hell I want. And if
Ew,
I
but I
don't,
look like a cat.
hey boo.
You said you look like
Hey, these are
catfish.
new.
That's okay.
Well, they're not new.
We love catfish.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh shit. My bad.
Do you want the phone stand for that?
It's okay. That's the most. You know, people don't even be trying.
People don't. And
Oh god, no, I can't do it yet. Look at the eyebrows.
No, that's for the culture.
Well, take the scarf off.
But the baby hairs is going.
No,
That's fine. It'll work. It'll work.
No, because then they're gonna be like, damn, this bitch was
Got the dog in it?
Wow,
Extra.
Really nice. Can I touch it?
Fucking sicko.
London, do it with me.
Yeah,
look
that's
like
okay.
Everybody likes you more than me.
It was cold before. You just look like if I touch something once, then I have to get out.
Yeah, like. Everyone has such. Oh, thank you.
Pull up Rusty.
I like working with Shenna because I've worked with her a lot, so it's really easy to get everything done. It's just really easy. Like, I know your face, I know how you like your brows. Well, not when you do that.
Not when you do that.
She said I'm ugly. She said.
Wow.
Stop, because last video you told everybody that I hate you.
You are a horrible person.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm gonna do it like
Like I'm not even doing nothing wrong
I mean,
yet.
it's like,
Not you. You've been fired.
I mean, he's been fired in my mind for years.
So that's
Oh,
really
that's
bad.
good.
Since the last shoot, I thought he was really doing something.
Nothing. He's
No.
just nice. That's it. Like, that's the thing. I don't have anything about it as a person to say about him.
It doesn't matter. It's not personal.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Because most times people fire people because they don't like them. I didn't like
That's
him.
wrong.
But I just don't think he's
You guys look so cool. Why do you guys look so cool? It's the studio.
He's
You-
a hater. He's been a hater.
I'm so mad. Like, you came out looking like you're just a makeup artist. Be a bum ass bitch. Why you gotta look
You
so
see
nice?
Jessie J's video for that one song where it's like I love my body.
No, I actually don't watch music videos.
That's true.
I only watch yours or like people that I know. Not actually. And that's because for me, a lot of the
Takes the
time,
experience from me.
it does run it for me.
That's a really nice apron.
Malcolm, I think she's here.
Isn't that a nice apron?
Oh, she didn't even notice. Yeah, that's the new name to my brand.
Pull up Rusty. 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 Pull up Rusty.
Doesn't
Dreams,
need,
you
like,
can't sleep.
I can't sleep. Sleep is
Ooh, I
fake.
like that.
Sleep is fake.
You're crying all day.
I look stupid, but here, we're gonna focus on this part of my face where it has that makeup. We're gonna also, I don't like the underneath. You have to get from here and up. Let me fix this hair. There we go.
You're such a wow.
Yeah, you're too short to do this job.
I am. You're so good. Wow.
Yeah, I'm good sometimes. Move this way.
And don't be talking about me being short. I identify as tall.
You know what? That's a fact.
Oh, that's better. That angle, I mean, like,
You think that's better?
no, I'm saying like it's better this side of my face. Sorry, I'm talking about for me.
I
Like,
feel like
no, that photo's not better, but that side of my face is better.
Pull up Rusty.
all right. We're done. I'm home, as you guys can see. I usually check back out in the car or check in, whatever. I usually check out in the car after shoot days. That sounds terrible. But I need to get everything in the house. I'm tired. But the look came out really, really good. I love it. I can't wait for you guys to hear her new song. By the time this is out, it should be ready. So make sure you go ahead and check the description box for the link to her new Ballad. I just want to show you guys real quick. We're gonna bend down. So this is my new case. Let's get up. It's huge. And we have a okay, so anyway, if you guys want a new video on what is in this case, because this is my everything case, if I have a shoot, if I'm on set for long hours, like today it came in handy because there were extra things that I wanted to throw in the look. Like foil flakes, I added the gold. It came out really, really great, like the shots. I can't wait for you guys to see them, they're so nice. But everything is in this case that you need for multiple looks. It's amazing. It even holds the brushes that I keep in the case, and it just works out great. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm definitely gonna try to get as many out as I can for you. I'm trying to switch up the content, make it fun, but also like pre-film and have a life, kind of. It's hard. But if you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It definitely helps me out so much. Comment. I need you guys to comment. Share on other social media platforms. Come on, we're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers this year. Not this year. Not next year, this year. Okay? Okay. But guys, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell and join the Clockwork Crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.
Get it like further away.
Yeah, I know. There you go. Here. Okay.
That's so cool.
No, we're not doing a photo with you right now. It's about me right now. Sorry. I know you have a phone.